Hey everyone! Today let's quickly talk about the Arduino UNO. It's one of the most popular boards for beginners in electronics and programming. This is the ATmeg A328P microcontroller, the heart of the Arduino UNO. It processes your code and controls everything. It has 14 digital pins for input and output, and 6 analog pins for reading sensors like temperature or light. You connect the board to your computer via this USB port to upload your code and power the board. And here's the power section. You can power your board and external components through the 5 volts and 3.3 volts and GND pins. The Arduino UNO is perfect for DIY projects and prototyping. It's affordable, beginner-friendly, and there's a huge community of makers. In just a few steps, you can start building your own projects. That's it for today's quick intro.